Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a common question in the data world. What's the difference between a data lake, a data warehouse, and a lakehouse? Let's break it down in simple terms, no jargon, no fluff. Let's start with the data lake. Think of it like a huge storage reservoir. It can hold everything. Structured data like tables, semi-structured data like JSON, and even unstructured data like images, videos, or logs. It's cheap, scalable, and flexible. But there's a catch. The data is raw and not always organized. So, analyzing it can be slow and often requires advanced tools or processing before it's usable. Popular tools: Amazon S3, Azure Data Lake, Hadoop. Now let's talk about the data warehouse. Unlike a data lake, a warehouse stores cleaned, structured, and processed data, ready for analysis. It's optimized for performance, so it's fast, reliable, and great for business intelligence and reporting. But it's more expensive, and it usually can't handle raw or unstructured data well. Also, you have to transform the data before loading it. That's the traditional ETL approach. Popular tools: Snowflake, Google BigQuery, Amazon Redshift. Now here's where it gets interesting: the lakehouse. It combines the best of both worlds. Like a hybrid, you get the flexibility of a data lake and the performance of a data warehouse. This means you can store all types of data in one place, and still run fast, reliable analytics without moving data around too much. It's more modern and works well with open formats like Parquet and Delta Lake. Popular tools include Databricks and Delta Lake. So, to recap, data lake equals raw, flexible, cheap, but harder to analyze. Data warehouse equals structured, fast, great for reporting, but more expensive. Lakehouse equals modern combo of both, flexibility and performance. Each has its own strengths depending on your use case. Hope this helped clear things up. Now, let's talk about choosing the right data solution, something that's critical to designing an efficient and scalable data strategy. First, we have the data lake. Think of a data lake as a large storage pool where you can dump all kinds of data, whether it's structured, semi-structured, or completely unstructured. There's no need to define a schema before storing the data, which makes it ideal for handling raw data from various sources. This flexibility allows you to collect and store data without worrying too much about how it's going to be used right away. Next, there's the data warehouse. This is a more structured environment designed specifically for fast and reliable analytics. In a data warehouse, data is cleaned, organized, and optimized before it's stored. Because of this, querying the data becomes much faster and more efficient, which is perfect for generating reports and dashboards that support business decision-making. And finally, we have the lakehouse. This is a newer approach that blends the strengths of both data lakes and data warehouses. A lakehouse supports a variety of data types like a data lake, but it also provides the performance and structure you'd expect from a data warehouse. It's a flexible, all-in-one solution that allows you to store, manage, and analyze data more efficiently, especially if your organization deals with both structured and unstructured data. In summary, if you're dealing with raw and diverse data formats, go for a data lake. If you need fast, consistent analytics, a data warehouse is the way to go. And if you want the best of both worlds, consider a lakehouse. Don't forget to like, share, or drop a comment if you learned something new. See you in the next one.